Class 10 Trigonometry Part 2. I am R.S. Prasad sir. Today I will tell you about some trigonometric sums. So I will start your trigonometry. Now the question is that if tan theta plus sin theta is equal to m and tan theta minus sin theta is equal to n, then prove that what will be proved that it is m square minus n square is equal to 4 under root of mn. That is the question. So as you have seen, left hand side is m square minus n square and right hand side is 4 under root mn. Now m square minus n square, what will be happen? M square minus n square, put the values. It is tan theta plus sin theta, that is whole square, and minus it is tan theta value of n and minus sin theta, it's whole square. So as you know, a square minus b square is equal to a plus b and a minus b. So apply this formula in this. So it is tan theta plus sin theta plus tan theta minus sin theta, and in this tan theta plus sin theta minus tan theta plus sin theta. Here is tan theta and tan theta will be cancelled out, and here is sin theta and sin theta will be cancelled out. So we get here 2 tan theta into 2 sin theta. So we can say it is 4 tan theta and sin theta. It is your m square minus n square. So that is your equation 1. Now take the right hand side, that is the 4 under root of mn. So what will be happen in this? 4 under root of mn, put the value of m and n. It is tan theta plus sin theta and into tan theta minus sin theta. So applying the formula a plus b into a minus b, that is a square minus b square. So we can say here tan theta whole square and minus sin theta. It is a plus b into a minus b, that is a square minus b square, like this. So it is 4 under root of tan square theta minus sin square theta. Now tan theta is equal to, it is sin theta upon cos theta. Now put the value here. So sin square theta upon cos square theta and minus sine square theta. As you know, sine square theta is a common. We get 1 upon cos square theta and minus 1. It is 4 square root of it is sine square theta. Taking their LCM, LCM is cos square theta, and here is 1 minus cos square theta. So as you know, 1 minus cos square theta is equal to sine square theta. So it becomes 4 square root of sine square theta into sine square theta upon cos square theta. But sine theta upon cos theta is equal to tan theta. So you can write here 4 under root of sine square theta and tan square theta. So it becomes 4 sine theta and tan theta. So that is 4 under root of m into n. So it's your equation second. By equation first and second, what will be happen? It is m square minus n square is equal to 4 under root of m n, because both the equation have right hand side equal, that is the 4 sin theta and tan theta. Now come to the next question, and the next question is solve the equation. How can solve the equations? Solve the equations, that means find the value of theta. So in this category, the first question is 2 cos square theta minus root 3 cos theta is equal to 0. So here you can see here cos theta as a common, so we get 2 cos theta minus root 3 equal to 0. So once time, if cos theta is equal to 0, then cos theta is equal to cos 90 degree. So theta becomes 90 degree. It's your first answer. Now if the second, if 2 cos theta minus root 3 equal to 0, then 2 cos theta is equal to root 3. So cos theta is equal to root 3 by 2. And the value of root 3 by 2, that is the 30 degree, cos 30 degree. So we can write here cos theta is equal to cos 30 degree. So theta is equal to 30 degree. That is your second answer. So this and this both are the solution of the equation. Okay. Now come to the second question. Second question is 2 sin square theta minus cos theta is equal to 1. So what will be happen in this? First of all, 2 sin theta, as you know, sin square theta is 1 minus cos square theta, and here is minus cos theta is equal to 1. Now multiply inside to 2. So 2 minus 2 cos square theta minus cos of theta is equal to 1. Now transfer to right hand side. So it is 1 minus 2 plus 2 cos square theta and plus cos theta. Now do the correct in the correct order. So it is 2 cos square theta plus cos theta and minus 1 equal to 0. So do the factors. So 2 cos square theta, split the middle term. So it is 2 minus 1. 2 1 2, that is the cos theta, and minus 1 equal to 0. So here is 2 cos square theta plus 2 cos theta minus cos theta and minus 1 equal to 0. 2 cos theta as a common. So we get cos theta plus 1, and minus 1 is here common. We get cos theta plus 1 equal to 0. Now cos theta plus 1 as a 1 common factor, and we get in second 2 cos theta minus 1 equal to 0. Now if 2 cos theta minus 1 equal to 0, then 2 cos theta is equal to 1 and cos theta is equal to 1 by 2. So do you know the value of cos theta? That is 1 by 2. It is cos 60 degrees. So theta is equal to 60 degrees. That is your first answer. Now if cos theta plus 1 equal to 0, then cos theta is equal to minus 1 and cos theta is equal to cos 180 degree minus 1. The value of theta is 180 degrees. So theta becomes 180 degrees. So that is your second answer. Now come to the next question. The next question is 3 tan square theta is equal to 2 sec square theta plus 1. So what will be happen in this? It is 3 tan square theta. As you know, sec square theta is equal to 1 plus tan square theta. Now put the value 2 1 plus tan square theta plus 1. Now multiply inside. 3 tan square theta is equal to 2 plus 2 tan square theta and plus 1. So transfer this 2 tan square theta on left hand side. So we get 3 tan square theta minus 2 tan square theta is equal to 3. Here is 3 minus 2, that is the 1. So we can write here tan square theta is equal to 3. So tan theta is equal to under root of 3. Do you know the value of tan theta? That is tan of 60 degrees. So theta becomes 60 degrees. So that is your answer. Now come to the next question. It is cos square theta minus 3 cos theta plus 2 equal to sin square theta. Now find the value of theta. So it is cos square theta minus 3 cos theta plus 2. Change this sin square theta as a 1 minus cos square theta. Now transfer all these terms on left hand side. That is cos square theta and plus cos square theta minus 3 cos theta plus 2 and minus 1 equal to 0. It is 2 cos square theta minus 3 cos of theta and plus 1 equal to 0. Now do the factor by splitting the middle term. So 2 cos square theta minus, it is 2 plus 1, and here is cos theta, and plus 1 will be equal to 0. So 2 cos square theta plus, not it is minus 2 cos theta, and minus will here also, minus cos theta and plus 1 equal to 0. So taking 2 cos theta as a common, so we get only cos theta here and minus 1, and minus 1 as a common, so we get cos theta minus 1 equal to 0. Now come to the cos theta minus 1, and here is 2 cos theta minus 1 equal to 0. So taking one by one part, cos theta minus 1 equal to 0. So cos theta is equal to 1. So value of cos theta 1, that is the cos 0 degree. So you can say theta is equal to 0 degree. Now for second part, if 2 cos theta minus 1 equal to 0, so 2 cos theta is equal to 1, cos theta is equal to 1 by 2. So 1 by 2 value in cos theta, that is cos of 60 degrees. So theta becomes 60 degrees. So that is your second answer. That is your answer also. So you have two answers for this. Now come to the next question. The next question is cos theta upon 1 minus sin theta and plus cos theta upon 1 plus sin theta is equal to 4. That is 4. So first of all, taking their LCM is 1 minus sin theta and 1 plus sin theta. Here is cos theta and 1 plus sin theta, and plus once again cos theta and 1 minus sin theta equal to 4. Now taking cos theta as a common, so we get 1 plus sin theta plus 1 minus sin theta, and denominator multiplied to right hand side, so we get 4, 1 minus sin theta and 1 plus sin of theta. So sin theta will be cancelled out to each other, so we get it is 1 or 1 2, so we can say it is 2 cos theta is equal to 4. It is 1 minus sin square theta, because a plus b and a minus b, a plus b and a minus b will be equal to a square minus b square. So you can use this formula. So that is 2 cos theta is equal to 4, that is cos square theta. As you know, 1 minus sin square theta is equal to cos square theta. So now come to the transfer to right hand side, it is 4 cos square theta minus 2 cos square theta equal to 0. So it becomes 2 cos square theta equal to 0. Cos square theta is equal to 0, then cos theta is equal to 0. So you can say cos theta is equal to cos 90 degree. So theta becomes 90 degree. That is your answer. The next question is cos theta upon cosec theta plus 1 and plus cos theta upon cosec theta minus 1 equal to 2. Now solve this. It is similar to the above question. Now taking cos theta as a common, so we get 1 upon cosec theta plus 1 and plus 1 upon cosec theta minus 1 is equal to 2. So cos theta, taking their LCM is cosec theta plus 1 and here is cosec theta minus 1. So we get here cosec theta minus 1 and plus cosec theta plus 1 is equal to 2. 1 will be cancelled out to each other. Now come to this one. It is cos theta into 2 cosec theta. And here is a plus b and a minus b, so it becomes a square minus b square. So cosec square theta minus 1 is equal to 2. Now multiply to right hand side. Cosec square theta, that is cosec square theta is equal to 1 plus cot square theta. Now put the value. So cos theta into 2 into 1 upon sin theta. And here is 1 plus cot square theta minus 1 equal to 2. Now this one and 1 will be cancelled out. And it is cos theta upon sin theta, that is the cot theta. So we get 2 cot theta and upon cot square theta is equal to 2. 1 square is cancelled with cot theta. So we get 2 upon cot theta is equal to 2. As you know, 1 upon cot theta, that is tan theta. So we can write here 2 tan theta is equal to 2, because of that 1 upon cot theta is equal to tan theta. Now here tan theta is equal to 2 upon 2, so it becomes 1. So tan theta is equal to 1. As you know, tan theta value of 1 is tan 45 degrees. So you can write tan 45 degrees. So theta becomes 45 degrees. That is your answer. Now come to the next question. Next question is root 3 tan theta and minus 2 sin theta equal to 0. So here is root 3 tan theta is sin theta upon cos theta. So we can write here it is sin theta upon cos theta minus 2 sin of theta equal to 0. Now taking their LCM is cos theta. Here is 1. So here is root 3 sin of theta and minus 2 sin theta into cos of theta equal to 0. Now sin theta is a common, so we can take sin theta as a common. So we get under root 3 minus 2 cos theta is equal to 0, and here is cos theta. As you know, sin theta upon cos theta, that is tan theta. Under root 3 minus 2 cos of theta equal to 0. Now if tan theta equal to 0, then tan theta is equal to tan 0, so theta becomes 0 degree. And what about for the second factor? If root 3 minus 2 cos theta equal to 0, so root 3 is equal to 2 cos theta, so you can say 2 cos theta is equal to root 3. So cos theta is equal to root 3 by 2. It is root 3 by 2. As you know, the value of root 3 by 2 in cos, it is cos 30 degree. So theta becomes 30 degree, and it's your second answer. And the first answer is 0 degree. I think you have understand all these equations, solution of equation, how can solve the equations, particularly the trigonometric equation. Now come to the other type of question, and which type you have to see. First of all, I want to tell you some formula. Formula means some other formula. So how can say, suppose you have this angle, this triangle, and in this triangle there is a B and C, and this angle is 90 degree. Suppose it is your theta degrees, so this one is your 90 minus theta degree. So what will be happen in this? Suppose if you want to sin theta, it is perpendicular upon hypotenuse, so sin theta perpendicular is AB and hypotenuse is AC. But in case of sin 90 minus theta is equal to, it is BC upon AC, and cos 90 minus theta, it is also AB upon AC, and here is cos theta is equal to BC upon AC, because base upon hypotenuse. So as you have seen, this one is changed like this, so we can say it is sin 90 minus theta is equal to cos theta. It is your first formula. And cos 90 minus theta, that is sin of theta. Similarly, tan 90 minus theta, that is cot theta, and cot 90 minus theta, that is tan theta, and sec 90 minus theta, that is cosec theta, and cosec 90 minus theta, that is sec theta. We can use this type of formula in this exercise. So just watch this exercise, what happened in this exercise. The question is that in triangle ABC, to prove that what will be proved, that it is sin A plus B upon 2 is equal to cos C by 2. How can prove? We know that what we know that in triangle ABC, what will be happen? A plus B plus C equal to 180 degree. Now A plus B is equal to 180 degree minus C, dividing by 2. On both sides. So it is A plus B upon 2 is equal to 180 minus c upon 2. It is a plus b upon 2 is equal to, it is 90 degree minus c by 2. Taking sine on both sides. Taking sine on both sides, so we can write sine a plus b by 2 is equal to sine 90 degree minus c by 2. As you know, 90 minus theta, that is the cos theta, so we can write cos c by 2. And here is sine a plus b by 2, hence proved. So that is proved. It's very simple, the question. Now come to the second questions. Next questions, how can solve the next question? Next question is prove that. What will be proved that? It is sine 90 minus theta cos 90 minus theta upon tan theta is equal to cos square theta. Now taking their left hand side, it is sine 90 minus theta and cos 90 minus theta upon tan theta. Sine 90 minus theta, that is the cos theta, and cos 90 minus theta, that is sine theta. And tan theta is sine theta upon cos theta, so we can write here sine theta upon cos theta. Sine theta and sine theta will be cancel out, and the cos theta is going in denominator. So cos theta into cos theta, so it becomes cos square theta, and that is right hand side of the question, and hence proved. Now come to the next question. The next question is prove that what will be proved that sine 90 minus theta sec theta plus cos 90 minus theta and cosec theta is equal to 2. So taking their left hand side, it is sine 90 minus theta and sec theta plus cos 90 minus theta and cosec theta. Sine 90 minus theta, that is the cos theta into sec theta, and plus cos 90 minus theta, that is sine theta into cosec theta. As you know, cos theta sec theta is 1 upon cos theta, and cosec theta is 1 upon sine theta. As you know, sine theta will be cancelled out, cos theta will be cancelled out. So we get 1 plus 1, and that is 2, and that is right hand side of the question, hence proved. Now some questions are find the value of. So first one is sine 64 degree minus cos 26 degree. As you know, those angle which is greater than 45 degree, greater than 45 degree. If theta is greater than 45 degree, then we can apply 90 minus theta. Then we can apply 90 minus theta. If angle theta is greater than 45, then we can apply 90 minus theta. So this is your greater than 45 degree. So we can say it is sine 90 degree minus 26, because 90 minus 26 is equal to 64 degree. You can check. And sine 90 minus theta, that is cos theta, and here is cos 26 degree, and it is cos 26 degree minus cos 26 degree, both are cancel out, so it becomes 0, and 0 is your answer. Now come to the next question. It is 3 cos 80 cosec 10 degree plus 2 cos 59 degree cosec 31 degree. How can solve this? 3 cos, that is the more than 45 degree, so we can change. So cos 90 degree minus 10 degree, here is cosec 10 degree plus 2 cos, it is also greater than 45, so we can change into 90 minus it is cos 90 minus 31 degree. 90 minus 31, that is the 59, and here is cosec 31 degree is equal to cos 90 minus theta, that is the sin theta, sin 10 degree, and cosec, that is the 1 upon sin, so we can write 1 upon sin 10 degree plus 2 cos 90 minus theta, that is sin theta, so we can write sin 31, and cosec, it is 1 upon sin, so 1 upon sin 31 degree. Sin 31 is cancel out, sin 10 and sin 10 both are cancel out, so we get 3 plus 2, and that is 5, and 5 is your answer. Answer is very simple. Come to the next question. Next question, as you know, 2 cos, it is 67 degree upon sine of 23 degree minus tan 40 degree upon cot 50 degree plus cos 0. So what will be available in this question? Which is greater than 45? So we can change, it is cos 90 minus 23 and upon sine of 23 degree minus tan 40 as it is, but in down cot 50 it will be changed, so cot 90 degree minus 40 degree and plus cos 0, that is the 1. So it is 2 cos 90 minus theta, that is the sin theta, so you can write sin 23 degree upon sin 23 degree minus tan 40 upon cot 90 minus theta, it is also tan theta, it becomes tan 40 degree and plus 1. tan 40, tan 40, this will be cancel out, and sin 23 is also cancel out. So 2 minus 1 plus 1. So 1 will be cancel out. So we get 2. 2 as answers. Chaliye as an answer. Now our next question. The next question is the find the value of sin square 35 and plus sin square 55. Sin square 55 degree. So first of all, it is sin square 35 degree plus which is greater than 45, that will be change only. So sin square 90 degree minus 35 degree. So it is sin square 35 degree plus sin 90 minus theta, that is the cos theta. So it will be cos square 35 degree. Sin square theta plus cos square theta, that is 1, and it is your answer. So you can do very well. Now the some other question you can do. Now come to the prove that questions. How can prove that in these questions? So first question is prove that. The question is sin of 63 degree cos 27 degree plus cos 63 degree and sin 27 degree is equal to 1. Taking left hand side, it is sin 63 degree cos 27 degree plus cos 63 degree sin of 27 degree. So those angle which is greater than 45 will be changed. So sin, it is 90 degree minus 27 degree, and here is cos 27 degree, it will be also changed. So that is cos 90 degree minus 27 degree, and here is sin 27 degree. So sin 90 minus theta, that is the cos theta. So cos 27 degree, and here is cos 27 degree plus it is sin 27 degree, and it is also sin 27 degree. As you know, it is cos square 27 degree plus it is sin square 27 degree. So cos square theta plus sin square theta, that is 1, and it is your right hand side. So hence proved. These type of questions are very easy, but solve with patience. Now one another question to prove that. It is tan 15 degree, tan 36 degree, tan 45 degree, tan 54 degree, tan 75 degree is equal to 1. So taking the left hand side, that is tan 15 degree, tan 36 degree, tan 45 degree, tan 54 degree, tan 75 degree. tan 15, that is the less than 45, so it becomes as it is tan 15. It is also tan 36 degree. As you know, tan 45, that is the one, and now tan 54. So it becomes tan 90 degree minus 36 degree, and here is tan, it is 90 degree minus 15 degree. As you know, tan 15 as this, tan 30 degree 36 degree, it is also as this 1 multiply, so that will be same. Tan 90 minus theta, that is the cot theta, so we can say cot 36 degree, and here is also cot 15 degree. Now tan 15 degree tan 36 degree into, it is 1 upon tan 36 degree, and it is 1 upon tan 15 degree. So tan 15 degree, tan 15 degree cancel out, tan 36 will be cancel out, so we get 1, and 1 as a right hand side of this question, hence proof. Next question, that is also prove that, and that is lengthy question. It is cos theta upon cos not sec 90 minus theta and plus 1, and here is plus, it is sin 90 minus theta upon cosec theta minus 1 is equal to 2 cot 90 degree minus theta. Now taking their left hand side and solve the question. Now left hand side, it is cos theta upon sec 90 minus theta and plus 1, and plus sin 90 minus theta and upon cosec theta minus 1. So cos theta upon sin sec 90 minus theta, that is the cosec theta, and plus 1, plus it is sin 90 minus theta, that is the cos theta, and here is cosec theta minus 1. Now cos theta is a common, so it is cos theta as a common, so we get 1 upon cosec theta plus 1 plus 1 upon cosec theta minus 1. So taking their LCM, it is cos theta, LCM is that is cosec theta plus 1, and in another bracket it is also cosec theta minus 1. So here is cosec theta minus 1 plus cosec theta plus 1. So 1 will be cancelled out, so we get here cos theta into 2 cosec theta, and in down, that is the denominator, it is a plus b and a minus b. As you know, a plus b and a minus b is equal to a square minus b square. So we can write here, it is cosec square theta minus 1. Now 2 cos theta into 2, not this 2, that is the cosec theta. As you know, cosec square theta, it is 1 plus cot square theta. 1 plus cot square theta is equal to cosec square theta. So you can put here 1 plus cot square theta minus 1. 1 will be cancelled out. Now what will be happen? It is 2 cos theta into, it is 1 upon sin theta, and the down cot square theta, that is the cos square theta upon sin square theta. So cos square theta upon sin square theta. Okay, this square will be cancelled out to sin theta, and this square will be cancelled out to cos theta. And sin theta, this will be going in numerator and this is in denominator. So it will be sin theta upon cos theta. As you know, sin theta upon cos theta, that is the tan theta. And as you know, tan theta, it is cot 90 minus theta. And that is the right hand side of the question and hence proved. So I think you can understood all these terms. So आज इतना ही रहने दे रहा हूँ, नेक्स्ट टाइम पे फिर लेंगे हम लोग। मेरा वीडियो अच्छा लगा हो तो लाइक करें, सब्सक्राइब करें और ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा शेयर करें जिससे ज़्यादा बच्चों का फ़ायदा हो सके। थैंक यू, हैव अ नाइस डे।